Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring Steam is closed. This prevents file conflicts and partial writes. Then, locate the backup archive, either in Steam's Backup and Restore folder or on an external drive, so you know the exact file set you'll restore. Make sure you have sufficient disk space and that the backup's game version matches the Steam install. If not, prepare to update or roll back. Once those basics are confirmed, you're ready to open Steam's Restore tool and begin the import. With Steam open, choose the Steam menu, then Backup and Restore Games, select Restore a previous backup and point the dialog to the folder containing your saved archive. Steam will list the backup contents, confirm the game and any included user data before proceeding. During extraction, watch the progress and choose the install location. Make sure it matches where Steam expects to place game files. After extraction finishes, Steam may download updates. Allow those to complete so the restored game runs correctly. Once the restore and any updates finish, launch the game and check saves, settings, and mods. Confirm everything loads as expected. If data is missing or the game fails to start, stop and verify the backup archive integrity. Rerun the restore pointing to the original backup folder and choose the same install path. A reliable troubleshooting step is to use Steam's Verify Integrity of Game Files option. This repairs corrupted or missing files.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.